The month of Muharram holds deep significance. The All Pakistan Nambardar Association respects this profoundly. During the sacred month of Muharram, the All Pakistan Nambardar Association, registered, will suspend all activities for 10 days. This includes both political and non-political engagements. This period of reflection and reverence will last until the 11th of Muharram. By the grace of God, all activities will resume thereafter. This decision underscores the association's deep respect for the importance of Muharram. The media cell of the All Pakistan Nambardar Association, registered, thanks you for your understanding and cooperation. May this period of Muharram bring peace and reflection to us all. God willing, we will return to our responsibilities soon. Thank you.